Phil's Automotive is the largest automotive service center in Big Bear Valley. We want to let you know that Phil's Automotive is considered an essential business, and we are open from 9 to 4 Monday through Friday. We're AAA approved and ASE certified. Phil's Automotive has a vast inventory of parts and tires in stock for a wide variety of vehicles. This makes servicing your vehicle as quick as possible. Phil's Automotive has made a number of changes to keep our customers and employees safe during the coronavirus, including limiting the number of people in our waiting room and additional cleaning practices such as sanitizing our facility multiple times a day, especially at our service counters and customer waiting area. Whenever interacting with your vehicle, our technicians wear disposable gloves, disposable seat covers, masks, and disposable floor mats. Additionally, if you're not comfortable coming in, you can drop off your vehicle at any time and use our key drop. Our primary concern during this difficult time is the health and safety of our staff, our customers, and our community. In these unprecedented times, we deeply appreciate you continuing to make Phil's Automotive your trusted service center, since we know how important it is to make sure your vehicle is safe and reliable, just like the service center you choose to do the work. We'd like to thank our valued customers and loyal employees for helping us all to stay safe and healthy.